In this video, I want to show you how to add MagSafe to an iPhone 16e. So by default, you are only able to charge the 16e using a wireless charging pad like this one that doesn't have a magnet, okay, that you connect with a USB cable. If you want to add MagSafe, so it works with any MagSafe charger like this one, okay, right now it's not working because it's not able to stay put there. Well, all you have to do is to purchase a case, any case that has a MagSafe ring inside. So let me just demonstrate. As I demonstrate here, it's not able to hold, but if I put it in the case, it's not only be able to hold, but also be able to charge. So here we go. And now it's holding and it's charging. And as you see, it's holding pretty well as well. So it's a feature that you can add simply by purchasing a case. Check my links in the description, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.